Wow. Oh my gosh.
See, I'm not really jerking on it. Good.
Hey, welcome to this edition of Our American Travel. We're so excited that you're going to come along with us on a trout fishing expedition on the beautiful Arkansas White River. While we were at the Blue Heron Campground, we arranged to have a guide take us out for a morning of fishing, and it was fantastic. In fact, we caught one on our very first cast. So he knew where the fish were, so I'm going to leave his contact information down in the description. If you go to the White River in the Mountain Home area, Cotter, you're going to want to call this guy, have him take you out trout fishing. He knows the river. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and I hope you'll like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll know when our next episode is. So thanks so much.
We're going to go down to a place called Crooked Creek. It's quite a ways, but I fished all through here yesterday and it was horrible.
This is not it, huh?
And I went down to where it comes into the White River, and it's shallow right now, but the boat's waiting for the jet.
You said where the creek comes in?
Where the creek comes in, there's a big old shoal in the middle of the river.
Okay.
And I pulled the boat right up on that water like this and anchored, and then there was this drop off. I mean, it just, I told that boy, I said, just throw right there, you're gonna catch a fish. Caught him a big one, and it was on, and leave it stop.
Wow. Oh my gosh. That's huge.
That's a good fish. We can keep fish. What you get to do is you keep fish, about 5 fish. One over 14 inches. The rest have to be 1 over.
Yeah. Nope.
And you did it right in the lip.
Number 7.
Number 7.
pretty fish. That is a pretty fish.
Yeah, he can be nice. See, I'm not really jerking on this. That's a good fish, y'all.
Pretty fish.
That's a big one.
You what?
I said, that's impressive.
He's spicy. Oh, I thought I had it, but I forgot. 8.
Hey, thanks for watching this episode of Our American Travel. Hope you enjoyed seeing our fishing adventure. I loved it. I've never been on a boat fishing, though I have fished from the shore, but I was really young. And it was a lot of fun. As always, we really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, all that cool stuff. And I gotta go because our fish is almost done and it's looking really delicious. Thanks.